Hi guys, we're gonna draw Piglet. So let's start with the head and draw two U's, one upside down and one right side up. And then the ears, two ears shaped as a leaf. And then the nose and the little eyes. Then the mouth, he's smiling. Then the body is sort of like a drop shape. Then the arms, and draw a bunch of lines on the body. And then the feet, short and little. Alright, now let's just go over with marker. Then for the nose, leave a white spot for the highlight. And that's Piglet. Hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this one, and feel free to check out my Facebook and Instagram for more content. Thank you.